First service error from the Red Aces. Serving jersey number 1, Dantik.
Tama naman yung pesta na lang. Oo. Akala ko may second tapos na.
Service ace from Dantik.
Kapitana. Si Dantik. King Captain.
That went outside. Score goes to the net for. Score is now 4-0. Another score for the net for. Score is now 5-0.
Sali ka. Ikaw na.
Kuya umatras. Chance ball to net force. Pinili kay Puerto Seso sa dos. It's wide. Puntos sa Aces. Now serving sa kampo ng Aces, number 16, Lexi Morilia. Service for Lexi. Na-receive ni Balasabas. Siya ang papalo. Balasabas with the kill.
Ilang ball pa natin? Sige ako dito.
Now serving sa kampo ng net force, it's number 10, Gwen Suceso. Pinabuliti, Angel sa 3, blocks. Access denied. Block point by Balasabas. It's now 7, serving 1.
Tama no, black one.
On deck to serve, it's still number 10, Gwen Suceso. The service. Received by Ambata. Faye, pinili si Via. Drop ball. Drop ball, it's good for Via.
Error ito? Error nila hindi.
Lalo. Ay ako. Point ni Gia.
Tapos exceptional.
Exceptional.
Now serving, it's Angel de La Paz. Received by Dantik. The set up to Balasabas on the opposite side, it's good.
Sino lang kapatay?
Balasabas.
Now serving, it's Balasabas. Service error for Balasabas.
Error 1.
It's 3, serving 8.
Hindi pala sabat yun, no? Service error.
Yeah.
Now on deck to serve for the Aces, it's number 12, Via da Banda. Service by Via. Received by Pat. Ben Suceso. To Ben Suceso. Into the net. Puntos sa Aces.
Yes po.
Still serving sa kampo ng Aces, it's Via da Banda. Via with a powerful serve. Balasabas with the receive. Apostol, adjust. Faye was there. Via, pinilis si Ashley, in-over na lang. Chance sa net force. Apostol! Why? Chance ball! Faye, pinilis si Cristel. It's outside. Point for net force. Now, on the serve para sa kampo ng net point, it's number 15, Jessica May. Buen suceso. Service by Gemma. Service ace. Puntos sa net force. It's 10, serving 4. On deck to serve, it's buen suceso. Service by Gemma. Receive the next team. Hinabol ni Angel. Ashley, over na lang. Net force, Chansa. On the 4, buhay. Faye, pinili si Crystal, drop ball. Dalawang pera kumabol. Chansa sa aces. Oh! What a lucky shot for net force. Point by Apostol. Sana, red aces.
Apostol. Yeah. Ano yun? 7. Attack. Kill. Ha? Goals. Ito rin dalawang cellphone mo.
Ano ba? Good luck sa buhay na. Utang ko.
Sabay ka no?
Back to the ball game.
Asa na air sa floor? Hindi na diba sa
Now, on deck to serve for net force, it's still number 15, Buen Suceso. Service by Gemma. Receive by Lexi. Dalawang players ang kumabol. Chance ball. Active to receive. At ang papalo. Gonna take by Morilia. Faye chooses Pere. And it goes out. No touch. It's 12, serving 4. Still,
Excellent pick ay on-sakto doon.
I mean, pag nakaangat pa.
still serving, it's Buen Suceso. Jessica May. Service by Gemma. Received by Lexi. Faye, piniresi. Ashley with the block. Covered was there. Not over. Punto sa aces. Still serving, it's Buen Suceso, Jessica May. Service to Gemma. Na-receive ni Lexi. Pere with the set. Ang bata, chance ball. Chance pa sa net force. Buen Suceso to Apostol. Block. Cut over rather. Punto sa aces.
Error. C7.
It's now 5 serving 13.
Error, no? Setting error.
No, attack error. C5. C7.
Service by Faye. Receive ni Gemma. Buen Suceso to Apostol. Rolling shot. Buhay ang bola. Ashley with a 1-2 kill. It's 6 serving 13. On deck to serve, it's still Faye Tagumos. Service by Faye na may onting sigaw. Set to Pat. Angel with a dig. Ashley ang nag-set. Fair hindi na gusto. Chance ball. Buen Suceso chooses Dantic from the opposite side. Angel was there. Not over. Point for net force. 14, serving 6. Ang ating Katiponera ay nasa gitna. Now serving its number 24, Pati Dantic. Service is short, point for the aces. Now serving for the aces, it's number 4, Crystal Perez. Service is short, point for net force. Now on deck to serve for net force, it's number 7, Apostol. Service, kinuha ni Faye. Lexi, no good. Point for the net force. Still serving, it's number 7, Apostol. Received by Faye. Lexi chooses Angel.
Pwede bang mag-stop?
Angel with the get. Via chooses Angel. Chance ball for net force. Panasabas on the middle. It's good. 17 serving 7.
Sino magsasabi? Pwede na.
Still serving, it's number 7, Apostol. Chance ball. When Successor chooses back from the opposite side, it's good for back. Substitution. Number 1, Gachalian in. Number 4, Ferre out. Kill, yeah. Alright. Still serving, it's Apostol. Received by Faye. Lexi humabol. Chance ball to net force. Pati with a standing receive. It's good. Rebound. Angel over the line. Puerto Ceso chooses Janelle on the middle. Via with a dig. Uhaya Bona. 1-2 play. Chance sa aces. Lexi 1-2 play. Double contact violation. Point for net force. Still serving, it's Apostol. Short ball, Ashley was there. 1-2 play, Chansa. 1-2 play, it's no good. Puntos sa aces.
Attack error for Panasabas.
4 no.
Yeah.
It's 8 serving 19. On deck to serve, Katipunera. Ashley Ambata. Service by Katipunera. The receive by Janelle. 1-2 play, Uhaya Bola. 1-2 play. Chance sa net force. Puerto Ceso chooses Panasabas. Buhay ang bola. Buhay pa ang bola. Chance sa net force. Dantik from the open. Buhay. It's good. More Dantik. What a hustle by the Aces.
Thank you. Yeah.
On deck to serve, Kapitana. Jersey number 1, Pat Dantik. It's 20, serving 8. Service by Pat, receive by Faye. Angel, Sinet, Caribbean, di na gusto. Chance ball. Puerto Ceso chooses Janelle from the middle. It's good. 21, serving 8.
Paano magandang error? Paano magandang set?
Excellent set. Excellent set pag walang block.
Okay.
Still serving, it's Kapitana, number 1, Pat Dantik. Service ace! Timeout, Red Aces!
Paano wala nag-block sa kanila pa rin?
Excellent set lahat. Actually, hindi pag maganda yung kill. Six attack errors. Ayaw ni Antena. Ayun, tanongin mo sila.
Anyari?
Coach! Sa next na lang.
Back to the ball game. Still on deck to serve sa kampo ng net force, it's Kapitana, Pat Dantik. 22, serving 8. The service by Pat. The receive by Faye. Lexi to Via. Via stops the bleeding. On deck to serve, it's number 16, Lexi Morilla. The service by Lexi. The receive by Janelle. On the next to receive, Puerto Ceso. What a dig by Gachalian. Chance ball to net force. Panasabas. Rolling shot, it's good. It's 23 serving 9. On deck to serve, number 10, Gwen Suceso. Service by Gwen Suceso. The receive by Ashley. Faye chooses Angel on the opposite. Pat was there. Tita Patty with the higgle. Ashley was there with the dig. Via, papalo, drop ball. Pat was the set. Chad ball sa aces. Kinuha ni Ashley. 1-2 play. Hinabol niya ang pistol. Janelle over na lang. Faye, set up. Via, papalo si Via. Long rally. Tita Patty. Lexi was there. It's good. Dantig with the kill. Now serving for the set, number 10, Gwen Suceso. For the set, Gwen Suceso with the service. Via with the receive. Siya ang papalo. Via. Apostol with a great take. 1-2 play. It's good! Net force takes first